everybody. You tend to see BB in my videos, but here's Charlie. He likes to march around and be behind the camera. Charlie's my little Yorkie. BB is my poodle. Alright, go on, move now. Good boy. Today I have my custom that I want to share with you. And I really want to get it unboxed because it is going to be my next project after the tiny partial that I'm doing. And I ordered this through Stitchdiamond.com, and the owner of that company, I'm probably going to butcher her name, I'm sorry, Aline Singos. She has a Facebook group, and I have this picture that I took of a beautiful flower. Someone who's looking at it, please let me know in the comments what type of flower this is. She took the picture and she enhanced it so that the pinks were a little more vibrant, and she made it into a custom for me. It's got, hold on, let me look at this canvas, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 18, 20, about 35 colors in it. You can see from the size of the bag of drills, it's a lot of colors, which I really like. Again, her company is Stitchdiamond.com. I have another custom coming from her, and she really does good work. She's so easy to work with. I had my custom done and approved, like, she took 5 minutes. It was so nice. And she doesn't charge you anything for that kind of work. She even, this last one, she took my pictures and cropped them, enhanced them, and put them into a layout with text for me. So this got a little bit, it took kind of a square shape in the box, so it didn't get crushed, but there's some slight creases. This is a pretty big one, so I may have to find a new method of, whoop, the paper ripped. I did that. Okay, I'll stop there and pull it back up from this side a little further. You know, with most crafts, I really don't worry when things go wrong, that paper ripped. It's no big deal. There really isn't anything that can't be fixed. I've even seen where people put the paper on wrong side down and it stuck to the glue. And so they had to go at it with baby wipes. That's one of the reasons these Facebook groups are so fantastic, because you can ask questions and get advice from people, didn't lay down right, from people who have experience doing what you're trying to do. Speaking of, I made a Facebook group. I also changed my name a little bit on YouTube, you may notice. It's now Fancy Nancy Diamond Painting, and it's kind of a joke. You know, people said, oh, there's a book called Fancy Nancy, and now it's a TV show. You're gonna have problems. Hey, I was Fancy Fancy Nancy long before that book existed. So I'm not worried. Besides, it's Fancy Nancy Diamond Painting. There's a page, there's a group you can join. I just got it all set up. It's not really going yet. If you want to get in on the ground floor, go join the group. Friend me, whatever you want to do. I am very happy to have more friends. Have a lot of time on my hands, so. And I don't always explain it, but I'm peeling the paper up and then pressing it back down because that kind of unrolls the diamond painting. The clear ones, you can't really do it. You just have to press them flat. But this unrolls it so that it will lay flat until I'm ready to use it. So there we are. I am in love with these drills. There's some green, but mostly it's pinks of all different shades. I'm going to throw the picture up on the video. And from the sheet, there is the image. I'm sure you've seen a better copy by now, but I took this picture of this beautiful flower. Again, I don't know what kind. Trying to think what month it was. It was end of May or early June at the St. Louis Zoo. They have some beautiful flowers at the zoo. I don't see my Sharpie. Oh, here it is. And I really like to take pictures of flowers, so. Again, this is Stitchdiamond.com, and it is a custom from them. I don't remember exactly, but it was about $40 for this, and this is a 60 by 80. It's big. 50 by 75 is what it is. And I like the colors. I can read them. That's a 904, 4 bags. Oh, I got the sniffles today. 4. I got a little pack of tools. I got the white boat with the open end, a big square of pink wax, a pink pen with a single and a 6 attachment, tweezers, and my favorite little plastic bags. All right, let's see. Just taking a little inventory. 3608. I have 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 of 3608. Oh, holy moly, I'm supposed to have 63. This is the main color for the flowers. There's 12. Yeah, here's the rest. 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 32, 34, 36, 38, 40, 42, 44, 46, 48, 50, 52, 54, 56, 58, 60, 62, 64. All right. Oh, 63. I got extra. Bonus. That's a pretty color. And I'll write a little +1. I need to find a smaller Sharpie. This is a big, thick Sharpie. 30, 31. 2 bags. Sometimes writing, it's like I get the pen on the paper and I stare at it and it doesn't want to do anything. All right, 310, and these are bags of 1,000. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 9. Let's see. It's supposed to be 49, so 9,000. Is there more black somewhere? Oh, yeah, there's little bags. 9,400 I've got. No, those are 250. 10,000 I have. And that is correct. Ooh, this pretty purple. 38, 37. There's 2, 4, 6, 7. 38, 37, 7 bags. Oh, I just love the colors. So many different pinks. 3805. 4 bags. I think I need to get a clipboard or something. What do you think? Oh, I was thinking about showing everyone my stash. If you're interested in seeing a video of my stash, all the canvases, just let me know. If no one's interested, I'm not gonna do it. 2, 4, 6 of 3607. Oh, it says 28. There's more somewhere. Is this it? This looks like it. Yep. 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30. More? Oh, I'm only supposed to have 28. You're giving me extras. Thank you. Do you keep your extra drills? I do. I didn't at first. I was like, why keep them? Throw them away. But then I realized when I really got into it that I may need them. Already I've been 1 bag short of something and realized it was 310. It was black. So I'm not worried because I've kept my extras. 3609, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 3609. Oh, I'm supposed to have 33. This looks like the rest. 22, 24, 26, 28, 30, 32, 34, 35. Again, 2 extra bags. Come on, hand, work. There we go. plus 2. Okay, some singles. 3023. Okay. 554. I love these. I just love these drills. I love them. I love beads as a kid. 832. I love making beads. I love organizing. I really love organizing. This gold is kind of hard to read. Upside down. 3836. Is that right? Yep. 1. 154, and there's 3. Yep. 3371, and there's 5. Hopefully with this Facebook group we'll get a bunch of members and start doing lives. I really like when people do a live and you can get out your project and you can comment and they can answer you. It says 12. There's 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Some more. Oh boy. I don't see any more of that color. Alright, let's set that aside and do that last. This is 906 and I have 4. That's correct. 334. No, 3347. That's 1. Oh, this project is going to be a world of pink. 917. 8, 2, 4, 6, 8. I don't have a lot of pictures that I plan on keeping for myself. I really do love all the images that I do. If I didn't love it, I wouldn't be doing it. But I plan on giving a lot of them away. 3806. As my husband says, there's only so much room on the walls. Charlie. Charlie? What's happening? He's yelling out the back door here. 164. 164. Yeah. 1. Okay. This is 939. 2. Yes. Correct. Here's a brown over here. 780. 1. 1 bag of 780. Yep. This is like a dark brown. 844. 1. I can't wait to do this one. It's going to be like my pride and joy. $905, 2, 4, 6, 8. $905, 8. Yes. Perfecto. 211 is one. Very pretty pale lavender color. See? Oh, flip it over. Can't say the number. Come on now. 1, 5, 3. 1, yes. This canvas is very clear. The symbols are all clear. Easy to read, easy to see, easy to differentiate. The drills look nice. $8.90. Oh, I have to sneeze. Tissue. Excuse me. I didn't mean to sneeze on everyone. $8.90. 2, 4, 7. 7. Yes. Let's do these little ones here. Almost done. 64. No, 6, 4, 8. Yes, 6, 4, 8. Okay. 9, 15. 2, 4, 6, 8, 9. 9, 15. 9 of them. Yes, correct. Did I do 936? No, I did not. 3, that's correct. Need to keep my drills separate a little better. Here we go. Let's do these. Oh, I wrote on myself. 3, 2, 7. And there's 3 of them. Yes, that's correct. I'll put all these into my Ziploc until I'm ready to put them in my containers. When I set this up, I will share that with you too if you want to see how I do it. Charlie. He's taking a bite of the plastic. Funny boy. 4, 7, 1. Almost done here. Some big numbers to do. All right, this is 7, 1, 8, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18 of 7, 1, 8. That is correct. Now I have these. Oh, it looks like I really am short on this dark purple. Okay. 209. And I should have 22. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 22. Good. And I'm assuming this is 210. Yes, it is. And I should have 10. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Perfect. Now, just this one. Let me count it again. 5, 5, 3. I should have 12. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. I'm missing 2 bags. sure she'll send them to me. She's such a good lady. And I really suggest if you're trying to do a custom and you want someone to really fix up the picture for you, contact her. Oh, sorry. It's a tripod. And contact her and she will be happy to help you. If you have any problems, she's happy to help you. I don't get anything from her. Don't think I'm being paid to say this, but when someone is helpful and treats me well, I will help them back. And her company is a good one. Like we all know, every single one of these kits come from China. I don't know of anybody who has sent me a kit that doesn't say made in China on it. Not yet. I know there must be some out there. Someone must own these printers that make them. But they have not discovered the gold mine that is diamond painting just yet. Wow, look how full my bag is. I don't usually have bags that full. When I go to set this up, I'll take everything out, put it in containers, get my label maker. But in the meantime, I put the drills and the tools and the sheet together in a Ziploc bag. And then I will put a label on there so I know which one it is. That's it. And I have a few more to unbox. So keep watching for new videos. Have a great day. Bye-bye.